guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new and you love watching unboxings, you are more than welcome to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well. That way, every time I upload content, you will be immediately notified. So with that said, guys, I am super excited with this box. This box is from Korea with love. This is a new box, guys. It's not even out there yet, but it will be soon. I believe in a few days it will be starting to take their orders. So with that said, guys, I am super excited. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what we have in here. Ooh, look at all this. Oh, this is so nice. Look at this. So from Korea. So this is a little it's the Instax. Yes, film. I forget what they're called, but I do have one, and I'm always printing out pictures. They're like super cute. Look how cute this is. So from Korea, another picture. And it's so funny because my son wants to go teach in South Korea. So he is getting ready for that, and I am super excited for his journey. So this box is super exciting for us. So it says Yvette, open me, and it says for you. So we have a little note here. Ooh. So I have a discount code there for you guys, and I'm super excited to share that. That's going to be a 15% discount code, Love Korea 19. But I will leave that on the description down below for you guys. So this is their December mini sole box. So it's filled with some cute sole essentials. This box is made a little bit happier today. That's what I'm reading. It's packed and filled with love from SEOUL with love. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly. That's what I was just reading my little note, guys. So look how pretty that picture is. So it says thank you for your support, and what's inside my mini sole box. Everything that's inside my box is here. So this is considered my information card. We have some little stickers, I believe these are. Okay, so it says from Korea with love. I am loving the packaging. So cute. Oh my goodness, look how pretty this is. Love this. You guys already know, if you have watched my previous unboxing videos, if something is cute, I am going to say it. Guys, this box looks like it's full of goodies, full of goodies. So my first item is going to be an essential mask. Ooh. Another one. More. So what do we have here? So it's a surprise. So it says each surprise pouch is just a little different, but of the same value. Okay. My special gift to you. So we have a special pouch here, and we're going to open it because we want to see what's inside. Okay, so I'm just going to take everything out, put that to the side. Okay, so we have here, what is this? Let's take the little note out. So we have paper clips. These are paper clip, guys. Look how pretty they are. So they have a thumbs up, just different designs of paper clips. Super cute. Go ahead and place that note there again, because we have other notes. So it says, lastly, you have some cool paper clips. Enjoy. We have instant coffee mix. Ooh. So this is the instant coffee mix, which my son was actually talking about this. So I'm pretty sure he is going to be excited to try these. I guess I'll try one, and I will let him try the other one so he can start getting ready for his journey. It says you have one heat warmer for your hands. Shake it a bit, then wait till it gets warm. Ooh, so that's what that is. Okay, we are going to continue. So we have a hand foil mask. We have a foot foil mask. We have lots of goodies here, guys. Look at this. Ooh. So this is a tart. This must be delicious. They look delicious. We have more goodies here. This looks like a cookie or something. Let's see if I can figure out. It says Sam Lip, and everything is in Korea. Maybe my son can help me because he is studying the language. So I don't know. So we have another one of those here. I can't wait to try them. There's actually 3 of them. Oh. Okay, so next up we have another tart, and this one is prickly pear. Oh, looks delicious. Don't this like, oh, looks delicious. So we have, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to refer to my card because I need help. Okay, so inside my box we will have three skincare masks. We have one hand care mask, one foot care mask, one handmade candle at Chloe by Jay. Oh, so this is the candle. So cute. So this is the handmade candle, guys. So pretty. We have one box of Pepero, which is coming up right here. So this is the box of Pepero. We have 3 Jackwa cookies. Do not know if I'm pronouncing all this right, guys. We have 2 Jeju Island tarts, 2 Polaroids, and 1 surprise. Polaroid, that's the word I was looking for. Whew. Okay, so look at all these goodies, guys, and I think that's it. This box was just full of goodies, so I have received all this stuff. Look at this. This is amazing. I am so loving this box, guys. I hope you guys are able to order yours. Make sure that you go ahead and you follow my Instagram account. That way you guys can go ahead and order this amazing box, because since they are not open to receiving orders yet, I believe, don't quote me 100% on that, but that way you guys can go ahead and follow them, and once they do the launch, you guys can go ahead and order your box. With that said, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys back soon with another awesome unboxing box. Woo-hoo. Bye, guys.